on my yacht, baby.
I feel that. You know, I'm used to the jet ski.
Yes, going to Europe.
Okay, cool.
Oh, thank you.
What that is? Okay, what is the cold on
Yeah,
top?
eucalyptus.
Okay, fit. Say that. Okay, what is the lavender?
Yeah, we're gonna
Yeah,
see
so,
some of
how
my
y'all doing?
offshore homes.
Hello, welcome to Lady Christina.
Oh, what they doing on the
Yes,
yacht?
babe.
Free drink. Appreciate it, little one.
This is your life now, babe.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, come meet my brothers.
Okay, hey, bro, what's going on? Shower.
This is Chadwick.
Pleasure. Nice to meet you.
And this is Wellington.
Well, they said.
Oh, he's focused on the.
Oh, he's trying to like win that life game, life change the game with the champion. Now, wrong move, you did.
I raised you my skellies.
Let's do it.
Man, y'all putting in watches, ain't it?
I call.
Come on, babe.
Bro, I've been working for them for 12 years. I can't do that, but I got the gas though.
Oh, come on, babe. I got a trust fund. I'll get you another one. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Put that Rolex in.
Trust fund, but shit, y'all can have it, motherfucker.
All in, baby.
in.
Oh, Dad gets mad when you bet that one.
Oh, that's the bar mitzvah watch. Don't worry about it.
Oh, okay.
Bro, let's smoke. How you spell it? Y'all boy crazy here, man.
Oh, babe, relax. This crab is local, actually. Our fisherman caught it, and the chef made it.
Oh, for real? Now,
Yeah.
I fuck with the crab. Crab going crazy. I call it crust the crab.
Okay, let's do a bomb.
Let's do it. What kind of boat they do?
Oh, a caviar bomb. Ready?
Can we see that motherfucker?
Yep, let's go.
Let's do it.
That caviar is so good.
The fuck is that?
It's caviar. It's fish eggs.
Man, that shit tastes like pussy. So I set the world on fire. This is it. Us to get the world.
I bought all these properties because I had to hide money.
Man, this is amazing. Nah, for real.
I believe.
Titanic boat.